don't rush into making an offer. I know in a market like this, it can be easy just to get really excited and just start throwing offers at properties, but make sure you know what you're offering on before you make that offer. And there are a couple things to look at that I wanted to talk about in this video. That's the HOA amount and the school district that you're offering in. So the first one, your HOA dues, which can be monthly, quarterly, or yearly, that's something you're going to want to run by your lender as well. So you might look at that HOA fee and you think, well, that's no big deal. But just make sure you run that by your lender so that they can include that in their calculations, because you might submit an offer on a property and not let your lender know about that HOA, then get under contract and realize that they didn't calculate for that and you actually can't afford that property. The second thing is school district, and this is really important for resale especially. So when you're looking to make an offer on that property, check out the school district. Make sure that the properties that you're comparing this subject property against are in the same school district. And if not, just see what the ratings are on Zillow, and you can scroll down to the bottom on Zillow and see what the school district is. Make sure that the ratings are where you want them to be, and that's from greatschools.org. So just check that out, because when it comes time to sell that property, you're going to want to make sure that you're in the best position possible for resale. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, 912-674-2518, or visit my website, tylerstanleyrealestate.com.